Engaging in academic research and writing helps you interpret and evaluate sources of information. It enables you to produce evidence-based, logical arguments. This unit supports exploring key topics in academic research and writing. Mastery of these skills leads to greater success and recognition in your studies. Let's delve into the core components. Academic research primarily focuses on making new discoveries for the scientific community. It involves a thorough investigation into a specific topic. Using scholarly sources adds depth to your understanding and strengthens your argument. This process reduces bias and misconceptions. Let's explore the nuances of research writing next. Writing a good research paper is a valuable skill throughout your career. It involves developing new products or studying procedures. Employers value clear and professional communication. Research writing guides your exploration and may require a written report of findings. Let's move on to academic writing conventions. Academic writing follows standardized ways to present research. It usually has a structured format with an introduction, main body, and conclusion. The style is formal and objective, avoiding personal pronouns. Citations and referencing are crucial to acknowledge sources. Let's discuss the importance of evidence and analysis next. Academic writing relies on evidence and analysis to support arguments. It demonstrates critical thinking and analytical skills. Ethical considerations are essential, like avoiding plagiarism. Obtaining appropriate permissions for research is crucial. Let's explore different types of academic research now. Academic research can be categorized based on purpose and methodology. Descriptive research documents phenomena without cause and effect relationships. Exploratory research generates hypotheses using qualitative methods. Explanatory research establishes cause and effect relationships. Analytical research interprets data. Historical research studies past events. Applied research addresses real-world issues using quantitative and qualitative methods. It often involves collaboration between researchers and practitioners. This research type solves practical problems. It is crucial for ensuring validity and reliability of findings. Let's discuss the role of paraphrasing in academic writing next. Paraphrasing restates text in your own words while retaining original meaning. It avoids plagiarism and requires deep understanding of the text. Effective paraphrasing uses synonyms and maintains the original meaning. It is a valuable skill in academic writing. Let's move on to associational research now. Associational research examines relationships between variables without manipulation. It is useful when manipulation is not possible or ethical. Positive correlation indicates a direct relationship. Negative correlation indicates an inverse relationship. Let's explore intervention research next. Intervention research involves manipulating variables to determine outcomes. It is used in psychology, public health, and education. Random assignment of participants to groups is common. This research tests the effectiveness of interventions. Let's conclude our exploration of academic research and writing. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Keep exploring and applying these concepts in your studies.